So these are all the equipments that you need for cooking. Gently sharpen your knife to cut the bacon. You want to do that so that way the bacon is cut correctly and, has a better shape. Now, safely cut the bacon. And look at that, we got really nice sliced bacon. So what you need to do is add your 2 eggs. Crack them. Use a fork to beat them. Keep doing that for more than 5 minutes. Now, add your salt, add your pepper, and now keep whisking. And turn the steam on to medium heat. And then put in your vegetable oil. You can also put in butter and olive oil, whichever, but I recommend using vegetable oil because it's very easy to cook with. Now, add in your chopped bacon. Chopped bacon. Wait for it to turn to a golden brown for at least 5 minutes or more. You want to do this so that way they can turn golden brown. And now look at them. So nice, see. And then put in your beat eggs. And you can also wait about like 3 minutes or so that way the eggs can coagulate. Put all that excess, beaten eggs to the bottom, so that way they cook faster. Now, what I'm gonna do right now is flip my bacon cheese omelet. I'm not gonna flip it on camera, so give me a few minutes. Okay, now I flipped my bacon cheese omelet, and now what I'm gonna do is add my mozzarella cheese. Now, use your rubber spatula to slightly fold your omelet. And there you have it. 1 bacon cheese omelet. So you can also flip it, whichever, to make the cheese melt even faster. And voila, you got your perfect bacon cheese omelet. And don't forget to clean up after yourself. Okay, now I'm gonna try some of my delicious bacon cheese omelet, so. It's delicious. Nothing better than home-cooked meals. Also guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more new videos of, music stuff. So catch you guys later.